Imagine a world where you can send money across the globe in seconds, borrow without a bank, and trade assets 24/7 without intermediaries. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's happening right now, thanks to blockchain and DeFi. Are you ready to dive into the future of finance? Welcome to the Economy Unpacked Daily YouTube channel. From Wall Street to your street, we share the world of money in a clear way. Today, we're exploring how blockchain and DeFi are reshaping the global financial landscape. These aren't just buzzwords. They represent a fundamental shift in how we handle money and value. While traditional banks still dominate, billions are pouring into these new technologies. Why? Because they promise to democratize finance and solve long-standing issues in our current system. Let's start by comparing traditional finance with blockchain-based alternatives. Traditional finance relies heavily on centralized institutions like banks, payment processors, and governments. This centralization often leads to slower transactions, higher costs, and limitations based on geography or banking hours. In contrast, blockchain finance operates on decentralized ledgers, enabling peer-to-peer transactions that are nearly instant and borderless. This stark difference is why many see blockchain as a potential game changer in the financial world. Blockchain brings three key advantages to the table: transparency, security, and speed. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, making it harder to hide fraud or corruption. Strong cryptography protects against tampering, enhancing security, and those cross-border payments that used to take days. They can now be completed in minutes or even seconds. These improvements directly address some of the biggest pain points in our current banking system. Now, let's dive into DeFi, or decentralized finance. Think of DeFi as the financial apps built on top of blockchain technology. It's recreating traditional financial services without the need for banks or other intermediaries. Want to lend money and earn interest? There's a DeFi protocol for that. Need to borrow against your crypto assets? DeFi has you covered. You can even engage in complex trading strategies like yield farming, moving your assets across different protocols to maximize returns. And if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, decentralized exchanges DEXs let you do so directly with other users, cutting out the middleman. The benefits of DeFi are significant. First, it's incredibly accessible. Anyone with an internet connection can participate, regardless of their location or credit history. This is a game changer for the billions of people worldwide who are underbanked or unbanked. Second, costs are typically much lower than in traditional finance. Without layers of intermediaries each taking a cut, more value flows directly between users. Finally, DeFi is truly global. It doesn't care about national borders, enabling seamless international transactions and opening up a world of financial opportunities. However, it's not all smooth sailing in the world of DeFi. There are significant risks and challenges to consider. Smart contract vulnerabilities have led to hacks resulting in millions of dollars in losses. Regulatory uncertainty looms large, as governments worldwide grapple with how to oversee this new financial frontier. And let's not forget about volatility. Crypto asset prices can swing wildly, exposing users to significant risk. It's crucial to understand these downsides alongside the potential benefits. To make this more concrete, let's look at some real-world examples of successful DeFi projects. Uniswap, a decentralized exchange, has facilitated billions of dollars in trades without a central authority. Platforms like AB and Compound have enabled users to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies directly from each other. And Mercado has created a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. providing a crucial bridge between the crypto world and traditional finance. Governments around the world are taking notice, with widely varying responses. Some countries, like Switzerland and Singapore, are embracing blockchain and DeFi innovation, providing clear regulatory frameworks to foster growth. Others, such as China, have taken a more restrictive approach, banning many crypto-related activities. In the United States, regulators are actively debating how to integrate DeFi into existing financial regulations. This patchwork of approaches creates both opportunities and challenges for the industry's global development. So what does the future hold? Can blockchain and DeFi truly replace traditional finance? While they have enormous potential, a complete takeover is unlikely in the near term. Instead, we're more likely to see a hybrid system emerge. Traditional financial institutions are already exploring ways to incorporate blockchain technology, such as using it for faster settlement systems or developing central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. DeFi will continue to grow and evolve alongside these traditional structures. The big question is whether DeFi will remain a niche alternative or eventually become the dominant form of finance. As we wrap up, it's important to balance the exciting opportunities with the very real risks. Blockchain and DeFi have the potential to make finance more inclusive, efficient, and accessible on a global scale. They could lower costs, speed up transactions, and open up new financial possibilities for millions. But we can't ignore the security risks, regulatory uncertainties, and volatility that come with this new territory. The restructuring of the global financial system through blockchain and DeFi is already underway. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or simply someone interested in the future of money, it's crucial to stay informed about these developments. They have the power to reshape not just how we bank or invest, but how we think about value and exchange in the digital age. As we navigate this evolving landscape, critical thinking is key. Don't get caught up in the hype, but don't dismiss the potential either. Stay curious, do your research, and consider both the opportunities and the risks. The future of finance is being written right now, and understanding these technologies puts you at the forefront of this exciting transformation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of blockchain and DeFi. Remember, the world of finance is changing rapidly, and staying informed is your best strategy for success. Keep watching Economy Unpacked daily for more insights into the ever-changing world of money. Until next time, this is your host, signing off.